There's peace and quiet now in this Ozark mountain country. No longer do the shots ring out between the martins and the coys. That's because the martins wiped out the coys. This is Cheetah Martin, the last survivor of that notorious feud. And this here is the old coy cabin.
Oh, the living is easy in the Ozark Hills. You don't need money and you don't need pills. You sit by a river and you just lean back, and the catfish jump into your gunny sack. Dum diddle water dum. Clem Coy's cabin. The last coy. Wiped out in the big feud. Visitors welcome. Very interesting. Coy's hat. I'll just try it on for size. Fits like a glove. This is the spot where Coy was shot. Well, there's a mighty musket. Easy squeezing trigger.
What no good pig stealer done that? Oh, I thought I killed all them corn-sarn cotton-picking coys. I'll sneak over and have me a look. So, that low-down polecat trying to start the feud again. Trying to get the drop on me, eh? Well, up here, the critter that shoots first is the last on his feet. That coy is a fast gun.
Uh-oh.
This time I'll duck down. There's a skunk in the woodpile. That ornery coy ruined my best breeches.
Haven't I seen you someplace before? This is my last dollar.
Okay, this is my last key.
If Woody had gone right to the police, this would never have happened.
I would like to deposit this for a rainy day.
Yes, sir. It looks kind of stormy now.
This is a stick-up.
This must be the place. Now, let me see. 1 block to Snake Eye Saloon. Snake Eye Saloon. 20 paces to the north. Now, let's see. Right about here. Excuse me.
car. Never before and never again a car like the great new Borscht. Amazing, sensational, a car that fits your pocketbook.
In just one moment, folks, we'll return to Win the Whole Wide World. But first, let's hear what a man who thinks says about smoking.
I don't smoke.
Now at last, the new polka dot toothpaste. For a dazzling smile, use polka dot. 4 different colors to match your complexion.
Before you win the whole wide world, listen carefully to an important announcement from our alternate sponsor.
For beautiful hair, use Glamour Glue. Glamour Glue keeps your hair looking glamorous all day. Just stretch a curl and watch it snap back into place.
Are you overweight? Then Scat Fat tablets are for you. Take a handful and watch the fat scat. No more sleepless nights with Cork-Off, the drugless sleep inducer. For the greatest night's sleep of your life, uncork a bottle of Cork-Off. And sleep like a baby.
Are you ready to win the whole wide world? Then wake up, folks! Get your paper and pencils ready.
Wait for me!
For the whole wide world. Who is buried in Grant's tomb?
I've got it! I've got the answer. I'm gonna win the whole wide world. 1 cup of coffee, Sam. You can't do that. To me? Gorgeous gal. Food. Filthy rich. Food. Matrimony. Food. Yahoo!
Hello?
Hello? Gorgeous gal?
That's me.
This is Woody Woodpecker.
I love woodpeckers. There's only one thing on my mind, sweetie. You. Come on over, dream boy. I'll be waiting.
Okay, I'll be right over. Dig that crazy bungalow.
Hello, cutie pie. Your gorgeous gal is waiting. Here I am, darling. sweetie.
And Granny's bed.
Gee, what big eyes you have, said Red Riding Hood.
The better to see you with, said
Hey,
the
kid!
wolf.
I want you to run an errand for me.
Do we have to?
Take these goodies to Grandma's house.
Oh, boy.
Granny always gives us cookies.
Bye, Uncle Woody.
Off we go to Granny's house to take a cake to Granny's house.
Hiya, kids. What you got in the basket?
Oh, it's full of goodies for our grandma.
Thank you.
You know, this is something like the story in our book.
You're right. It's just like the book.
Then that means Granny's in trouble. Uh-oh.
Which one is Granny's house?
Granny? Granny?
The next house is Granny's.
Granny? Come in.
Why, you little...
Take it easy, Sarge. Take it easy. I want to fly like the birds.
So, you want to fly, huh? Okay, you asked for it. How'd you like your first solo flight?
Well, what do you know? A pilot suit. What's the matter with the zip in this zipper? Come on, open up. Gee willikers, a real plane.
Hey, you! Get out of that plane!
My mother told me to take this one.
Come back here! You hear me?
Look, Sarge, no hands. No plane either.
Aha! I've got you.
What you got in the box, Dad?
A woodpecker. I'm watching it.
Which one is it?
Which one is it? It's that little fellow, about your size, with red hair, and... Uh-oh, something's wrong here. Oh, a little firecracker. Bird watching is exciting. Two can play at this game. All right, put her right in here.
Would you care to watch the birds, sir?
Oh, yes, indeed. Ah, birds, little feathered friends, lovely little birds.